The OnePlus 11 has just hit the market and it's already become one of OnePlus's best-selling devices. Yet, there's one thing missing from this great device, and that is wireless charging. So, let's change it. Adding wireless charging to your device may seem like a complicated procedure. However, it's actually quite simple. All you need is this Elixir USB-C wireless charging adapter, the phone, and a case. Now, to start with, we're going to use a clear one to demonstrate how this will work. Simply plug in the USB-C adapter into your OnePlus 11, then sort of balance it on the back, then grab your case and attach it to the phone. Now, as this is an ultra thin wireless charging adapter, it's not really going to actually add much bulk to your phone, and it will easily fit in between the phone and any case. Now, all you need to do is grab a wireless charging pad or stand. Again, Elixir has a couple of different options here, and then just pop the phone on it. Now, unfortunately, we've only got the dummy device, so we can't actually show you it charging the phone, but believe me, we've done this on many phones in the past and it works seamlessly every time. Now, the whole idea is that you leave this USB-C wireless charging adapter on the back of your phone. However, because we've got a clear case, you can actually see it. So let's try it with a case that you're most likely going to use this with. Now we've installed it with Elixir's Sentinel case, you can't even notice that the wireless charging adapter is there. The only way you'll actually be able to see is from the fact that the USB-C port has something plugged in. But other than that, it feels like a normal device in your hands. If you'd like to purchase this adapter, check out the links in the description below. Thanks for watching this video and remember to like and subscribe.